Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to find controller supported games in Apple Arcade. So, while many Apple Arcade games work perfectly with the keyboard and mouse, but some games also support game controller like PlayStation, Xbox or other compatible controllers. So, if you prefer playing with controller, you can easily check which games support these features before downloading them. If you would like to find controller supported games, here's what to do. First, open Games app on your Mac and then switch to Arcade section. Now here scroll a bit and find the category Great with Controllers or something like that. As you can see here, if I scroll a bit, I can see Great with Controllers. So expand this option by clicking on the arrow icon right to it, and from here you can find all the games supported controllers. Open the game information page and look for the controller support level or controller icon, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.